Do you know what all these symbols mean? If you're just starting to drive, this video will be especially useful. Or maybe you've seen some of these symbols for years, but still don't know what they mean. Let's get started. Coolant level warning light. This symbol can appear in different colors: blue, yellow, or red. Each one means something different. Blue means the engine is still cold. Just wait before driving hard. Yellow means the coolant level is low. Check it soon. The coolant level should be between the minimum and maximum marks on the reservoir. If it's below the minimum, top it up. Never open the coolant reservoir cap when the engine is hot. While the engine is running, the coolant heats up to 90 degrees Celsius, that's 194 degrees Fahrenheit, and is under pressure. Opening the cap when the engine is hot may cause the fluid to suddenly erupt and result in serious burns. Correct way to do it: turn off the engine and wait at least 30 to 60 minutes. Only then, carefully open the cap. Refill with the correct type of coolant. Low tire pressure, also known as the TPMS symbol. It means one or more tires have pressure that is lower or higher than recommended. Low pressure can damage the tire, reduce fuel efficiently, and make driving unsafe. Add air to the correct pressure, and the warning light should turn off. Check the recommended tire pressure on a sticker inside the driver's door jamb. This is the battery warning light. It's normal for it to come on when you start the car. If it stays on, there might be a problem with the alternator or charging system. You may notice dimming lights, loss of power steering, or other electrical issues. Eventually the battery will fully drain and the car may shut down. You can check your battery terminals. Loose or dirty, that's the problem. Fix the battery terminals. If the terminals are dirty, you can clean them with hot water. If the battery light stays on, you can also measure the voltage with a voltmeter. When the ignition is on but the engine is not running, the voltage should be no less than 12.4 volts. The engine is running. If the voltage is between 13.7 and 14.7 volts, the alternator is working properly. If the voltage is too low in either case, it likely means the alternator is not charging. This symbol means traction or stability control. It usually flashes when the system is actively working to keep you stable. That's normal. It means your car is helping you to stay in control. If the traction or stability control light stays on, the system might be turned off or not working properly. Flashing is normal. If it stays on, get it checked. Brake system warning light. This symbol means there's a problem with your car brake system. Stop the vehicle as soon as it's safe and check the brake fluid level. You can find the brake fluid reservoir under the hood, usually near the back of the engine bay. On the driver's side, the fluid level should be between the minimum and maximum marks on the reservoir. This light may also turn on when the parking brake is on. In that case, just release it. If it's below the minimum, top it up. This is the airbag and seatbelt warning light. It usually lights up for a few seconds when you start the car. That's normal. But if it stays on or appears while driving, there might be a fault in the airbag or seatbelt system. A loose connector, faulty sensor. Don't ignore it. Airbags might not work in a crash. Have it checked by a mechanic as soon as possible. Diesel particulate filter means the diesel particulate filter DPF is starting to clog. This usually happens when the vehicle is driven mostly on short city trips, and the engine doesn't reach proper operating temperature to allow the filter to regenerate. It's recommended to drive on an open road at about 2,500 RPM. In third gear, at around 60 kilometers per hour, or about 40 miles per hour, for 15 minutes to allow the DPF to regenerate. If the light stays on, UPDF might need a manual or professional regenerate. See this little key? Most drivers just ignore it until it's too late. This symbol means your car needs attention. It means your car is due for a service. Usually oil and filters. Ignore it, and small issues can become big ones. Take care of your car, and it'll take care of you. Why won't it shift? Unlock gear selector light indicates that, in order to shift into drive or another gear, you need to press the brake pedal. Only then will you be able to move the gear selector. This function applies only to vehicles with automatic transmissions. Don't force it, press the brake. This is the low fuel warning light. It means your fuel level is very low, usually about 5 to 8 liters left. Depending on the car, you might have 50 to 80 kilometers of range. But don't push it. Driving on low fuel can damage the fuel pump or pull debris from the tank. Best to refuel as soon as possible. That was a small part of all the dashboard symbols, but it's important to know how serious each one is. Green warning lights are for information only. Yellow or orange warning lights mean action is required. Red warning lights mean stop the car as soon as it's safe. If you're new to driving, don't worry. We all start somewhere. Learning what these symbols mean is already a big step. Subscribe if you want more clear, simple videos like this, and like the video if it helped you.